Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over e to the power of 2x minus 2 multiplied with e to the power of s. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to multiply with e to the power of s in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. We put about u equal to e to the power of s, du equal to e to the power of s ds. This one we change for u. This one you change to u square. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. Next, we do the factorization in here. So we put u in here, and you got about u square. Next, we can apply about partial fractions. So we got about a over u square, b over u, and c over u minus 2. Next, we do about common denominator. So we have a multiplied with u and u minus 2. B is about, oh sorry, we don't need to multiply with u. B multiplied with u minus 2, and C should be about u square. And we got about u square multiplied with u minus 2. Now we need to expand au minus 2a, and we have bu square minus 2bu. Now we need to arrange based on the power of u. So we got about u square multiplied with b plus c. And the next one we have u, that should be about a minus 2b. And the last one is about negative 2a. Next, we compare coefficient in here. As you can see that we have negative 2a equal to number 1 because coefficient is about number 1 in here. This one go to 0 because we don't have u. This one go to 0 because we don't have u square in here. And now we create about the system of equations. B plus C equals to 0. A minus 2B equals to 0. Negative 2A equals to number 1. So we can find value A, B, C in here. A equals to negative 1 over 2. B equals to negative 1 over 4. And C equals to 1 over 4. And we put the number in here. So this is about negative 1 over 2u square, negative 1 over 4u, and and number 1 over 4 multiplied with u minus 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of negative 1 over 2u squared, you got about 1 over 2u. The integral of negative 1 over 4u, you got about negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4 multiplied with ln of absolute value of u. And the last one is about 1 over 4 multiplied with ln of absolute value of u minus 2. And we will about c is about constant. About u, we need to change back for e to the power of s. We know that ln of e to the power of s, you got about s. That's the end. Thank you for watching.